Guangdong Senbo Crafts Company Limited is an industrial and trade export enterprise specialized in the development, production, and sales of landscape artificial trees and artificial plants. Our company is located in Huyuan City, Guangdong Province, an excellent tourist city in China. With the development tenet of integrity-based, innovation-driven, adhering to the business philosophy of customer, quality-driven, we constantly enhance our competitiveness. With professional engineer, efficient sales team, and competitive price advantages, we have attracted customers from all over the world, including Europe, Poland, Serbia, Turkey, Russia, the United States, Mexico, Brazil, India, Thailand, Middle East, and South Africa. Our products are exported to 5 continents around the world, and we have established cooperative relationships with multiple star-rated hotels and chain supermarkets. We are familiar with the market and popular elements and can accurately and meet customers' needs. Artificial plants and trees are advanced decorative crafts that are produced through complex processes such as printing, dyeing, shaping, injection molding, and assembly. The color of leaves and trunks makes it difficult to distinguish between true and false. Moreover, it has the characteristics of being green, environmentally friendly, beautiful, and easy to manage, making it an ideal decoration for shopping malls, villas, hotels. All of our products have passed CE, RoHS, and other product quality certification tests, and can be professionally designed and customized according to customers' needs. Senbo Craft sincerely welcomes the letters and calls from domestic and foreign customer to negotiate business.